It is day 2 where we are now heading out to 2 different waterfalls. We woke up at 5:30 to hopefully get to the first one by 7:30 because it gets really busy, but I'm excited to show you because this one in particular was on my vision board from last year, so I'm really excited to see it. So yeah, I can't wait to bring you along. Okay, so we are just walking to the first waterfall now, Tukad Cepung. I'm not sure how to say it, but I will show it on the screen soon. Alright, so the first thing that we have to do is get a ticket, and then you just go and pay, and then we have to walk to the waterfall, which, by the way, wear waterproof shoes, because you gotta walk through like a bit of a, I don't know, river, stream. You gotta walk through water. So yeah, here we go. So we've paid, we got our ticket, and now we are heading to the falls. Waiting for your call. Seems like back at it again with all the stairs. My legs are so sore from yesterday. Okay, I just have to show you this view. Look how beautiful it is. So pretty. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. Okay guys, so we are just going through this like side of rock bit kind of thing. I'm hoping there's not a lot of bugs. I don't love it. But yeah, I will take you along. So now we are going along the side bit here. Like flip-flops, which is not smart. How did Kieran do this? Okay. Look at this though. That's crazy. This is literally crazy. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the bit where we just go through the water. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's nice though, but it's cold. Alright, so currently just walking through the water here. As you can see. This is so fun. I've never done it like an adventure like this before. So yeah, I'm really excited. I just need to show you guys like everything. It's unreal. That's Kieran. Do you see him? Hi! Kieran travels on YouTube. Kieran visuals on all the other things. So we are going through this cave right now, which is very cool. So I need to put my phone down and focus. Okay, look at this. This is incredible. Okay, I have to focus. I'm gonna fall. And we have to go under this like rock section. Holy shit, this is crazy. Ah! This is crazy. What the hell? Look. I made it. This is so cool. You can't hear me at all, but like, this is awesome. Unflattering angle. But look at the line. Okay, so There's a cool waterfall, and now I'm going in that cave, so let's see. Okay, this is really cool. I will try to show you guys, but this bit here, can't really see very well. It's all drippy and like super cool. So yeah, I am looking forward to showing you that. I will take questions right now. Okay, so I'm leaving the waterfall now. We're gonna go get some food and going back up the stairs. Wish me luck! Alrighty, and these are them. Sorry for the shaky camera work. There weren't too many stairs at that section. They are like steeper steps, like I would say the equivalent of like 1.5 normal size steps. But yeah, there was maybe like 30 of them or so. There are a lot more coming up, but they're like normal stairs. Still don't love them, still not a fan, but yeah, just FYI. The top of this waterfall is the top of the waterfall that was in the cave that we just saw. Which name I don't know how to say properly. Tukad Cepung? It's probably not right. But yeah, very cool. There's the top. Kieran has trotted ahead without me because if you didn't know, Kieran walks like a lot. I think one time he was somewhere in Europe, I don't remember where. He walked like 6 hours down a mountain like for funsies. And yeah, can't relate. So he's run off. But yeah, anyways, that's just a random fun fact for you. Oh, there he is. Caught up with him because he gotta wash his feet in the river. Or I don't know what you would call it. In the water, definitely not a river. Say hi! Oh, we got a thumbs up. Hopefully you can see what I mean. That we went into, which was really cool. Very good. They've got like little beds down there. There's also a frog one, and it's got Kermit over there, which is funny. Called Happy Frog. So now we are heading to Tipamada. Tibumana, is that right? Waterfall, I think that's correct. Was 20k entry fee, and yeah, apparently it's like an easy walk, like 10 minutes there, so I'm excited about doing one. That's not hard. So far, this is a stunning walk down. Like it's just unreal. Look at all this. Yeah, really, really stunning. I'm really excited to see the waterfall at the end. Oh, there's like tons of bridges over there. That looks like fun. Just feeling like an adventure movie. I'm talking to my vlog.
Oh. What happened?
I lost my balance.
Oh no!
Into the side. It's fine. It's a very accurate representation of me.
Yes.
Thank you.
Beautiful place though, isn't it?
Yeah. It's gorgeous.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Gorgeous. Okay, we made it. So there's this one. There's like this little cute little one. And then the main one. Right there. It is gorgeous. And like all these little flowers. Where are they? Here. It's like little flowers, and there's some over that way too. So I got some really cool shots. Now. So that's fun. Yeah, so it has just started to rain and we are heading back now. Okay, so the last time I went across here was when Kieran filmed me, which you'll see a clip of, and I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to look all like cool and look at the scenery and not where I was going, and I bonked into the side, which is a very me thing to do. So yeah, no. Oh. And I had my thumb over the lens. I swear I'm a good photographer. Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna keep that because this is how I am. Anyways, bye. It's full on raining, guys. We got our cute outfit on now. Yeah, it's uncomfortably wet. Featuring Kieran, the turtle. Look how cool this flower is. Heading back up. I don't know if this was the end of the vlog, but if it is, thank you for watching. I'll see you next one. And we are home. That wraps up the vlog. So yeah, thank you for watching, and that's it. Okay, bye.
You're welcome.